One of my most requested questions is how do you attach your signs to your wreaths? So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you what I use to attach to my sign and then how exactly I attach them to my wreaths so that they don't fall off. Guys, my name is Tracy. I love to create handmade wreaths and also have a Wreath Basics tutorial list here on my channel, so you can check that out if you are a wreath maker just beginning or if you would like to pick up some fellow tips and tricks. How I prep my signs to attach to my wreaths. This is a metal sign that is from trendytree.com, and I like to use the tie attacher, the 1-inch cable ties that I get from Amazon. And what I do is it does have a sticky back to it, but I reinforce it with some E6000 or some kind of rapid glue, as well as Gorilla Hot Glue. I put those on there. Then what I do is I just put pipe cleaners through the hole and twist that. Now, usually what I do is I will take some hot glue and add it all the way around, and then I will put some clamps on there to kind of hold it in place while it dries. I make sure that I don't get the hot glue on the top of it, so I don't glue my clamp to it like I did the first one. So anyway, just kind of sharing my errors of what I do so that you don't make that same mistake. But I love it, and I just let this dry while I'm preparing my ribbon. So then now I'm going to attach my sign, and I like to use an upholstery needle. Now I got these from Walmart. They were in a set of 4, but I usually use just the one that I like, and I thread the pipe cleaner through it, and then that's what I thread through the deco mesh. I try not to get it in the ribbon. I try to go underneath the ribbon and thread it through the deco mesh so that my ribbon lays really nicely. And so then I make sure that I don't have any slack in the pipe cleaner, and then I make sure that it is taut or tight so that it doesn't, my sign fits very nicely. It's not too sunken in, but it lays nicely. Everything is straight. And then I attach it. I just twist the pipe cleaner on the back directly to the frame, and that just kind of holds everything together. So then when I flip it back over, I make sure that all of my ribbon tails are out and formed nicely so that none are stuck underneath the sign. And that just really makes a very pretty wreath while it's hanging on your door. Do you have any tips of how you attach your signs to your wreaths? Leave them in the comments below so that our community can pick up those extra tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.